BMW X7, problem with guster control. So I'm gonna go to settings, general, guster control, and as you guys see, my guster control was activated, deactivated, now activated again, and now I'm supposed to control media with my hand, so which is I'm doing right now. There is no response. That should phase the sound, so the guster control does not work, and problem possibly is in this camera, and I am going to take this thing apart and replace the camera. To take this center console unit off, we're gonna need to take this small cover over here, and then there is two Torx located underneath this cover that when we unscrew we can pull this cover out. So to take this cover off, we're gonna have to pry with a really tiny one, flat screwdriver, kind of carefully not to scratch the plastic. So as you guys can see, I pried it a little bit on this side already, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more clips that hold in this cover. So those side ones is easy, and then those center one is a little bit harder, so be careful if you ever ended up taking this piece apart. So be careful, especially on the center section, so you won't break the clips. All right. All right, and this is Torx 15H. Okay, after the two screws are out, so don't try to force it and pull this down because you're gonna break it. So I'm gonna try to zoom in and show you. So with a screwdriver, there is a little plate, a clip, I would say, that they need to press it in towards the end, and then it will separate as you guys see it. And now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna press that clip and I'm gonna pull it down. Okay, I got this side loose and working on this. Okay, yep. Yeah, I just took this unit off, and I wanted to show you what we have here. So we have two clips here, which is located here on the front, and we have one clip that slides in here, one here, and then those two metal tabs, the one that I was pressing was a screwdriver. So that's how you take this unit off. I have a guster camera that I'm going to be replacing. So we're going to need Torx T9H to start unscrewing those screws. We have access to the board, and the next thing we're going to do to disconnect those microphone and sensors wires, And then we're gonna proceed disconnecting those two cables for camera. After we got that unlocked, we can easily pull this board away. So that's a board. To unscrew those two screws, it's a E9H, the same, I guess. All right, and now we're gonna pull the camera. Yeah, I just mounted temporary after installing the new camera, and let's see if I got this thing fixed. Pays.
BPM plays you today's dance on Sirius XM.
Okay, guster control fixed.